Multiple YouTube channels in the past 5 years have been blowing up, which have made thousands of dollars. Welcome to YouTube School, and here is the secret growth strategy they use in all channels, so you can do the same. First, you have to choose a niche which has demand, and competitors in the niche must be getting more than 30,000 average views on their videos. And for shorts, they must be getting 100K views on average video consistently without the 10K or 0 views jail. Then, to find video topics which actually can go viral, search your niche in the YouTube search bar, then click on the filter and then filter it by most views within the last 30 days or last 7 days, or even just check the videos which got the highest views in your niche to see which topics are currently in demand. The video's topics which have got good views are actually a proven concept for you, meaning if you make your videos related to these topics, it's almost guaranteed that you will go viral as well. For example, this video was uploaded 7 years ago, which got 11 million views, and it became a proven concept. Now, most people would have thought that this topic is old and won't work, but this person uploaded the video on the same topic with his unique style and got 4 million views. Then later, this person made a video on the same topic and got 389,000 views. And then this person uploaded this video just 3 months ago, and he still got 400,000 views. And we have thousands of examples like this in every niche on YouTube. All you have to do is find a proven concept, then combine it with your unique style, and then you build the masterpiece. This same strategy works for shorts as well. Now, to write the script, copy the link of the highest performing videos in your niche from different competitors. Then go to this free YouTube video transcription tool, paste the video link, extract the script, then paste it into Google Document. You must do it for at least 5 videos. And now all you have to do is analyze all those scripts. Analyze every single segment of it, from its hooks to its end, and then make a checklist for your own channel, which you must follow when writing your own script. But make sure your script is unique and never copy-paste from any video. Then for editing and thumbnails, there are some people like me who have been doing this editing stuff since their childhood, and they are very good at editing their videos and thumbnails. But most of the people are those who don't know how to edit the videos and thumbnails, and all they use is Canva to make a shitty thumbnail or just know how to edit basic stuff in CapCut. In that case, you should sit in front of the mirror and then slap yourself. And you must convince yourself to hire an editor and a thumbnail designer, otherwise you will probably fail. So this was the strategy in Growth Secret, which is actually worth more than $10,000 to be honest, that I told you for free.